Are you tired of business ideas that require a ton of money to start? What if I told you that in 2025, you can launch powerful micro startups with little to no capital right from your phone or laptop? Let's dive into 7 powerful, low-cost micro business ideas you can start today and grow in 2025. Stay till the end for a bonus AI-powered idea. First up, selling Notion templates. In 2025, people love productivity, and Notion is the go-to tool. I design simple templates for goal tracking, budgeting, content planning, then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. You can even make passive income while you sleep. Next, start an Instagram automation service for small businesses. I use tools like Metricool or Later to schedule posts, analyze metrics, and help brands stay consistent online. Offer it as a monthly service even if you're a beginner. It's easy to learn and in high demand. Small businesses in your area don't know how to get listed online. I offer to get them on Google Business Profile, Yelp, Bing Places, and local directories. You can charge $30, $100 per listing setup, and once you get 5 clients, it starts to snowball. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and Canva, you can start a content creation micro agency. I generate posts for coaches, solopreneurs, or online stores. Bundle 30 posts a month and charge $100 or more. Super low cost, just your time, and AI magic. WhatsApp is hot in emerging markets like Nigeria, India, and Brazil. I launch a WhatsApp broadcast list on finance tips, job alerts, or crypto updates. Grow an audience and monetize through affiliate links or sponsored ads. Setup is free, but value is real. You don't need to be a pro designer or coder. I offer micro freelance gigs like proofreading, voiceovers, data entry, or Canva designs on Fiverr or Upwork. These microservices are exploding in 2025, especially when you niche down. Start a one-page affiliate site or Instagram page promoting tools like Canva, SEMrush, or digital courses. You earn every time someone signs up through your link. No product needed, no inventory, just smart content and marketing. Here's the bonus: build simple AI-powered chatbots for local businesses using tools like Chatbase or ManyChat. Set it up once, charge $50, $150, and offer monthly support. This is booming in customer service, especially in 2025. Which of these micro startup ideas will you start today? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you're serious about building a profitable business in 2025.